Hello everybody! Please come and join me as I try one of the best cafes here in our place. It was my first time visiting, and I was instantly amazed the moment I stepped inside. The dining area welcomed me with such a clean, cozy, and relaxing ambience. It immediately made me more excited to try their food. Look guys! Oh, diba? The warm lighting, comfortable seating, and inviting vibe made it a perfect place to unwind and enjoy a good meal. Ang ganda ng place, ganon din ang may-ari, at mabait pa siya, kaya mas nakaka-happy. When I checked their menu, everything looked so tempting, but it was also easy to find dishes that match my cravings. Eto siya guys, oh. Napakarami niyong pagpipilian and it looks masarap lahat. Medyo marami din akong na-order na pagkain. As their policy, kailangang magbayad ka muna after mo mag-order. And eto, magbabayad na nga ako para masimulan ng lutuin ang napakasarap kong food. Kasama ko nga pala ang aking mga friends. Eto sila, oh. Sabi nga sa kasabihan, mas masarap kumain kapag ka-share mo ang mga taong mahalaga at pinakamamahal mo. Kaya halika na, samahan niyo akong kumain. For my order, I went all out. I had their chicken sandwich overload, chicken wings and chili cheese, and honey buffalo flavors. Each one was packed with flavor, juicy, and cooked to perfection. To beat the heat, I paired everything with a variety of refreshing drinks, lychee lemonade, fruit jelly, classic lemonade, matcha latte, and Spanish latte. Every sip was satisfying. The fruity drinks were refreshing, while the lattes had that rich. Everything was served at its best, and you can really tell that quality and taste are their priorities. From the ambience to the food and drinks, the whole experience was truly enjoyable. Lahat kami nag-i-enjoy sa napakasarap na pagkain. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Ang ganda at ang clean ng presentation. Talagang tingin pa lang mabubusog ka. Grabe. Alam nyo ba, naubos namin lahat yan. And for sure, babalik kami dito. Ayan siya guys, oh. Unang kagat. Pakasarap talaga. Sino namang hindi mawiwiling kumain kapag ganito ang iyong mapupuntahan? Lahat ng pagkain ay masarap, pati mga inumin. Siguradong mag-i-enjoy ka. Perfect! Ubos lahat ng food namin. I left the cafe with a big smile on my face and heart full of satisfaction. It's one of those places that not only fills your stomach but also lifts your mood. Definitely worth the visit. I'll surely be coming back for more. Ang sarap. Uuwing nakangiti. Punta rin kayo dito guys.